Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to do hard reset on this phone without password. Okay, so first of all we need to turn off our phone. For this, press and hold the volume down button and the lock button. Just wait. Now here you can see the option power off. Tap on the option power off. Now the device is switched off. So next one, we need to enter the recovery mode. So before we enter to recovery mode, we need to connect our phone to any other device or to power adapter. So here I am going to connect my phone to this device. Yeah, now the device is switched off. Now we need to enter the recovery mode. To enter the recovery mode, press and hold the volume up button and the power button. Now you have to just wait for a few seconds to then the Samsung logo will appear. Just wait, and you don't release the button. You need to release the button when the Android recovery menu is visible. Okay, so this is the recovery mode. So here you can see some menus. So to move the options, you have to use the volume buttons. To select the options, you need to use the power button. Okay, so to select the factory reset, go down using volume down button to select wipe data or factory reset. To select this one, press on power button. Now again select the option factory data reset using volume down button and confirm this with the power button. Now at the bottom you can see wiping data, formatting cache, like that you can see data wipes complete. Okay, now the factory reset is done. Now we need to reboot our system. Now you can see the selection is on reboot system. Now we need to select this one, confirm this one using the power button. Now just wait for to reset your device. So before, you need to do the factory reset on risk, because it will wipe all your personal information from your device like photos, videos, etc. Okay, so we note that one. Now you can see the device is restarting. So after the factory reset, the device, you will get your device like a new device. Then you need to set up your device. So simply in this way, we can do the hard reset without password. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.